Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are tackling one of the most common questions homeowners ask before starting a deck project. Should you choose wood or composite decking for your backyard here in Hamilton? Let's start with wood decks, because that is what many people grew up with. A wood deck can look warm and familiar, and the upfront material cost is often lower than composite. But wood is a natural material, and that means it reacts to weather. In our mix of sun, rain, and temperature swings, wood boards can crack, warp, fade, and eventually rot if they are not sealed and maintained on a regular schedule. That usually means cleaning, staining, or sealing every few years. Some homeowners do not mind that work. They enjoy the process and like the look of freshly stained boards. Others find that after a few seasons, the time and cost of upkeep starts to add up. Loose fasteners, splinters on high-traffic areas, and soft spots around posts or stairs are all things we see on older wood decks that have been exposed to years of weather without consistent maintenance. Composite decking is built to solve many of those problems. Instead of solid wood, composite boards are made from a blend of materials designed to resist moisture, insects, and decay. The surface is engineered to limit splintering and to keep a more consistent color over time. Composite decking materials like Trex are popular with Hamilton homeowners because they can stand up to repeated wet and dry cycles while needing far less ongoing maintenance than traditional wood. That does not mean composite is completely maintenance-free. You still need to wash the surface, clear debris from gaps, and keep an eye on drainage around the deck. But you are not sanding and staining every few years, and you are far less likely to deal with boards that twist or cup. For busy families, that difference can be the deciding factor. They want to enjoy the space, not spend weekends trying to save worn-out boards. So how do you decide which option is right for your home? A good starting point is to think about how long you plan to stay. If this is your long-term home, and you want a deck that will look clean and consistent for many years with limited upkeep, composite often makes sense even if the upfront cost is higher. If you are planning to move sooner or you are comfortable doing regular maintenance yourself, a well-built wood deck can still be a strong option. You should also think about how this deck fits into the rest of your outdoor living plans. If you see yourself adding a pergola later, tying into a patio, or building out an outdoor kitchen space, a low-maintenance composite surface can give you a stable platform for those upgrades. You will not have to worry as much about replacing weakened boards right when you are ready to add new features. Budget always matters, so it helps to look beyond the first price you see on a quote. Instead of only asking, "What does this cost today?" ask, "What will this cost me in 10 years, including maintenance and repairs?" When you spread that out, composite decking often becomes more competitive because you are spending less on stains, sealers, and board replacement down the road. If you are starting to plan a new deck or thinking about replacing an aging structure, talking through these choices with a professional can save you from regret later. You can reach our team at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to learn more about our deck construction services and material options. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we help homeowners choose deck materials that match how they really use their outdoor space, not just how it looks on day one. Whether wood or composite ends up being right for you, the goal is the same: a safe, solid deck that serves your family for years. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton, and we will talk with you on the next episode.